I would like to thank you, Pharma Bio World magazine, for this initiative to promote this Make in India initiative, and thereby the government of Gujarat has taken some steps to contribute this initiative. And we have seen that this testing time have taught us that we should not depend upon other economy so far as import of APIs and drugs for ensuring health of our people are concerned. As Indian biopharma industry is waking up, Gujarat is also ready to help and realize this dream of Make in India. We all know that Gujarat is a policy driven state and with a very clear motive, transparent governance and objective decision making. For this field of biopharma industry, I want to share with you that Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat has come up with biotechnology policy 2016 to 2021 and science technology and innovation policy. Under this Gujarat biotech policy, the state government is offering huge grant and incentive of 25% of capex with a ceiling of rupees 25 crore for developing biotech park that shall launch such Make in India inspired biopharma companies. Apart from this initiative, there are numerous other incentives such as reimbursement of stamp duty, duty, electricity tariff assistance, etc. And such biotech park shall also provide much needed scientific infrastructure leading to formation of ecosystem that eventually drive the economy in this segment. In addition to above, the state government offers attractive incentives to new and existing biotech unit wanting to diversify or expand their unit under Gujarat biotech policy. This policy also provide adequate incentive to startup also. The state has also provision for a very attractive scheme under technology demonstration and pilot deployment under science, technology and innovation policy of the state government. Interestingly, the state government has also created a technology and business incubator, a biotechnology park and a venture fund apart from other hand-holding mechanism to support startup and other MSMEs over entire life cycle of biopharma industry. I wish that our industry promoter, our industry captain will definitely take benefit of this initiative of the state government, and as a mission Gujarat State Biotechnology